it is not so your name.
Okay, no problem. Introduce me something you. A name is not important,
Uh,
bro.
okay.
Yeah.
My name is Aniket Chakravarti and I'm from Jabalpur. And
Jabalpur.
and tell me yourself.
Bro, my name is Tanvesh. I am from Ludhiana, Punjab, India. Currently, I am living
Uh,
in New
what
Delhi, and I am a
yes,
student. I am a student. I am doing my graduation, final year of
yes.
Bachelor of Art.
Oh wow. And I am pursuing BBA in hotel management from Gyangunga.
Okay.
I am a first year student
Mm-hmm.
and I also I am pursuing hotel management.
Nice. So after completed your graduation, you will search job, na?
No, the college gives our campus placement, but we must we must get uh, jobs. It is not. I know it is difficult, but it is easy. I get job hotel field.
Okay. But in your school, your college, there are lots of students who are interested to hotel management.
No, yes,
So
but hold
yeah, tell me.
class. My class has only for 19 students. But no, not but uh, every students are not coming college.
Mm-hmm.
11 to 12 students are every day come college.
Okay.
Oh,
So
yes,
that's why you are thinking you will selected.
yes, because I, I am uh, I gain information hotel field.
Okay. So you know in hotel field, what subject you used to read? Like basically hotel management is a subject. In this subject, what need to you
Oh,
read and write?
there are four types of subject. Mostly people are learn. Student are learn. First, front office. Second, housekeeping. Third, F&B service. And fourth, chef. Every people are knows hotel field are these subjects, but not. Mostly students are four subjects are learn.
Mm-hmm.
Front office, you know you also know front office when you you are go hotel front, your front office stand front office.
Yeah, so in hotel manage, you have a graduation of hotel management. After completed your
Yes,
graduation, in what field you find job? Like what will be your post in a hotel?
I want to I want to get a self because there are a lot of facilities that there are a lot of facilities. After I completed my graduation, I go abroad. Then I gain experience. Like I go Dubai.
Okay. So, for example, after completed your graduation, you need to job. Na?
Yes,
After
yes,
do some experience, then you will prefer go abroad. Na?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So firstly you need to some experience. So now you are finally a student.
Uh, Restaurant does not provide hotel knowledge. Hotel also provide hotel knowledge.
Okay.
Am I right?
I don't know, bro. Actually, I have no knowledge about this field. I have never entered in this field. I never
Okay,
listened
bro.
also. In my school, no one is
Okay.
not study about hotel management. Some people are study, but I am not connected with her.
Okay. Bro, I'm not my school are not provide hotel information, but I want to be a chef. Uh, my teacher not
Bro,
can provide hotel how by knowledge.
yeah.
So
Actually,
tell.
I am also interested to go abroad for doing job like a hotel where I can communicate with other people. This type job I am searching. So what is your personal recommendation? Like if I will go abroad, so which country we should
Uh,
go and where which type job we should search from there? You have any knowledge about it?
Presently, what do you do?
I am told you I am doing graduation final year BA. After completing my BA, I will prepare for MBA that I can go abroad.
VA.
Yeah, currently BA.
Oh, VA.
Yeah.
You know about the skills like coding.
Coding is necessary for a hotel management.
Like, I'm not saying go. Nahi, okay, bro. I can understand. You want to go abroad? Am I right?
Yeah, for job purpose because in my India there are no job scope like well salaries. That's why.
Okay. Yes, yes. I know. Okay. Uh, what what is your interest? What to want?
Interest like I need to some experience like hotel, then I want to create a restaurant like my personal restaurant. I want to become businessman. That's why I prepare MBA, and that's why I prepare for do job in hotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first of all, you get experience.
Yeah.
Then, according to me,
Hmm.
first of all, you get job India's. Then go abroad, not direct abroad because you your you pay. There are a lot of expense.
Yeah. Yeah, I am planning to do this, but I am moving to Bangalore. I think we should some work from Bangalore. There are lots of hotel and restaurant also. So I think what type experience we need to observe in my hotel life.
Uh, okay. What do you want to do? Hotel field, like front office, housekeeping, F&B service, chef. What do you want to do?
Actually, I want observe how type work in hotel is do like a man who can control all hotels. That time work I want to do.
Manager, like manager.
Yeah.
Uh, it is it is not easy, but you want to get manager job, but it gain a 5 year experience then sale.
Oh God, it means to become a manager, we need to some
Uh,
experience.
yes.
Oh,
Not direct provide uh, manager post.
okay. So it means
First,
how you will join your hotel.
uh, if you want to because my is very very
Sorry, what do you say?